guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix 100% CPU and disk usage in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for upcoming latest and interesting videos. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix 100% CPU and disk usage problem, then I will show you how to do this. Guys, here I will show you 2 to 3 steps to fix. Guys, here I will show you 2 to 3 steps to fix CPU and disk usage problem. First of all, you will find this PC on your desktop. Just right click on this. You can see here manage option. Just click on this. Guys, in this you can see here device manager. Just click on this. Guys, you can see here system devices. You have to double click on this. Guys, in this you need to find high precision event viewer. Just select this one, right click and click on disable. After clicking disable, just close this window and click on start menu. Here you need to type power. You can see here edit power plan. Just click on this. In this you can see here change advanced power setting. Just click on this. Guys, here you can see balanced. You need to click on this. Here you will find high performance mode. I doesn't have that, so it's not showing here. In your PC, if it shows high performance mode, just select high performance mode, click on apply, then OK. Guys, after doing this, just close this window and open your task manager. Just right click on start menu, click on task manager. Here you can see a startup tab. Just click on this. Guys, here you need to disable unwanted startup applications. After doing this, just close this window, and once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix 100% CPU and disk usage problem in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.